Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the different ways to make money with crypto. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. We are going to go over that issue in more depth in this video, so let's get started. If you have no previous experience in the world of cryptocurrency and are wondering to yourself, what is all of that crypto stuff? Then this video is perfect for you. Obviously, the first method is to invest in small amounts. Now, this is entirely dependent on your opinion of where the market is headed. But if you think that crypto and blockchain technology are here to stay, then becoming an investor in these technologies is a smart place to start. It was preposterous in 2017 that people who looked like drug dealers were obese, as well as children as young as 17 and 18 years old, acquired millions of dollars via Bitcoin. This happened to a lot of people. Is it possible that they invested a significant amount of money at an earlier stage? Granted, some people didn't realize they were investing when they were simply trying to purchase and sell shady items, but they were earning money because they had it in their hands when it was extremely low in value and retained it as the value increased. This allowed them to profit as the value of the asset increased. There is a possibility that there will still be a chance in the year 2022, but this is contingent on whether or not you think it will continue to grow and whether or not you believe it has the long-term ability to attract more and more people to do it. It's not too difficult to understand. Visit Coinbase, link it to any debit or credit card or even your bank account, and then you'll be able to start buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin with cash whenever you want. All you have to do is visit Coinbase. The second method to consider is making money in crypto is trading. If you are new to trading, Binance is an excellent platform on which to begin your career. Trading cryptocurrencies involves taking a financial position on the price direction of individual cryptocurrencies relative to either the United States dollar or in pairings denoted by the notation crypto or dollar, or another cryptocurrency or in pairings denoted by the notation crypto to crypto. It's a really laborious way to get started, which is why in every gold rush, it's sometimes easier to sell shovels. If you don't know anything about trading, you'll have to perform things like technical analysis and plot small graphs and axes and lines and everything else like that. If you don't know anything about trading, you'll have to do things like technical analysis. Because of this, I would also suggest becoming an affiliate for this exchange because rather than putting your capital at risk by day trading, what if you just gave crypto news on a blog or YouTube? The competition is very low because this is a new trend that is really making its way into the mainstream population, and with the Binance affiliate program, you can see that you can earn up to 50 commission every time someone signs up for this exchange. This is why I would also recommend becoming an affiliate of this exchange. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The third step is to study and make money by lending your cryptocurrency. It's the same as being a bank teller. Banks earn money by taking your money and depositing it in their small savings account, but guess what they do while you're not looking? They will take your money and invest it on your behalf, but they will not pay you anything from the profits. They basically take the money and lend it out to make money off of money that isn't even theirs. To earn money with it, you don't have to be a bank. You might start generating money with cryptocurrency by lending and receiving crypto prizes. It's simple to make extra money with your cryptocurrency assets. You may be paid for holding cryptocurrencies in your Bitfinex wallet. The list of supported cryptocurrency includes a wide variety of digital currencies, some of which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Therefore, the minimum deposit is cheap and there is no lookup time. The bonuses may be readily withdrawn to your Bitfinex wallet, at which point you will be all set to continue. Either you start using money in the same manner that the top 1% does by leveraging it, or you start putting your money to work for you rather than keeping it all for yourself. The fourth method is that we are getting into social media Steemit. It is also a wonderful way to earn cryptocurrency. When you visit their website, you will see that everyone is contributing blog posts. Some people earn $13, $20, $35, and $15. It is possible to earn up to $120 every day. The reason they do this is that they are paid by generating a large number of views on this blog piece or blog in general. So advertisers are ready to pay them to start placing stuff like this, which is advertising, in front of all these people who are visiting this blog article. Most people would say, "Screw you, we're not going to pay you any of that money. You could just be a writer on our platform and get a link to your own little blog." However, because you're helping us build this platform and get eyeballs, why don't we just pay you back what we're also making? It's similar to the YouTube model where you create content and then pay you a portion of the advertising revenue. Mining Bitcoin is the fifth method to generate money using crypto. You should just acquire little or tiny rigs so that you can see how profitable they are each day. You receive $55 a day, $30 a day, and $25 a day. If you get many of them, you may be able to generate various sources of Bitcoin revenue. You will get mining rigs and equipment. You just need to acquire a Bitcoin wallet, which is Exodus, after you have one of them. I would be able to get up and running. To get started, it's absolutely free. You may just download Exodus right now and save your cryptocurrency there. Isn't this similar to your bank or wallet? You get these items and must then join a pool, such as a /pool account, in order to use them. While you're away, keep an eye on your farm to find out about any additional problems as soon as they arise. You will be able to confirm that your rewards are fair by using the statistical information that we provide. You may get one by going to nicehash.com. A good hash miner is the kind of miner that is both the most profitable and the easiest to operate. You have access to a large number of examples here and you may begin mining Bitcoin immediately. However, you will first need to set up the necessary mining equipment. It is not easy to comprehend, especially if you do not want to get familiar with all of the terminology. If you believe in technology, it may be a pleasant hobby, but it can also be a little difficult, especially if you are merely trying to make a lot of money without really enjoying what you're doing. If you believe in technology, it may be a great pastime, but it can also be a little complex. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.